को नमस्कार। एक मुलाकात शालिनी के साथ और आप गैस कर सकते हैं कि मैं कहाँ खड़ी हूँ। आप देख सकते हैं मेरे पीछे में क्या है और मैं महाराष्ट्र में बॉम्बे के बगल में एक जगह है जहाँ पे वर्ल्ड इंडिया का सिर्फ एक ही रिसोर्ट है, फ्लाइंग रिसोर्ट, वो भी एरो विलेज में। और चलिए मैं आज आपको मिलवाती हूँ बहुत यंग डैशिंग स्मार्ट प्रंजल झा जो यहाँ के एमडी हैं। हाय प्रंजल झा, हाउ आर यू?
I'm good. I'm good. How are you?
I'm
Welcome to
good.
Aero Village.
Yeah, thank you so
It's a
much.
pleasure to have you here.
Yeah, even we have got such a good opportunity to capture this moment, and we are having a great time here.
It's my honor. It's a privilege कि आप आए यहाँ पे.
Yeah.
I'm so happy that you're here.
So tell me, Pranjal, you are so young and dashing, and how you got this idea to set up this, entire resort?
So this idea actually, you think of it, man. I was traveling in Copenhagen, Denmark,
Okay.
for work,
Uh-huh.
and just my colleague who was there, the person, we said like, okay, do you want to go for lunch somewhere?
Okay.
We had an off day from our regular schedule, so I said, yeah, sure, why not? And then we drove us to an airport
Okay.
near Copenhagen, a smaller airport, and I was very confused. I was like, कहाँ लेके जा रहा है, क्या करेगा, पता नहीं. And then suddenly we dropped the car, we've gotten off, and there's a small aircraft parked over there. He's like, okay, let's go. I'm like, an
Where?
aircraft? He's like, yeah, let's go. So we've gone there. He's like the person himself. He was a pilot,
Okay.
and he's taken off. We've landed at a small ranch somewhere nearby. It was like a 15-minute flight,
Okay.
and there was a friend's place. We had lunch there, really nice place, everything, and then we flew back. So it was like a 2-3 hour kind of experience for me, which was like something I'd never
Something
imagined.
different, yeah.
And like you never imagine like something like people can live a life like this, And the person was not like like a billionaire or very well off or something like that.
Yeah.
So then I asked him like, how do you afford something like this? And then like we did the math and I figured it out, and like, I said, yeah, like people in India can easily afford this.
Yeah.
So वो एक्सपीरियंस जब मैंने वहाँ किया तो मुझे लगा कि ये तो इंडिया में लोगों को एक्सपीरियंस करना ही चाहिए. फिर मैं आया, मैंने उसका पूरा कमर्शियल्स वर्कआउट किया, कैसे क्या कर सकते हैं. फिर हम लोग ने, हमारे पास लैंड था, किसी पार्टनर्स थे, कुछ फैमिली फ्रेंड्स थे. देन वी गॉट इन्वॉल्व कि यहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ करते हैं.
Okay.
तो अभी लेवल ठीक है, आप करिए. फिर उसकी मैं बोला ठीक है. कमिंग फ्रॉम एन इंजीनियरिंग बैकग्राउंड, I had a little bit of help from my friends also. Like they're coming, putting me in touch with the right consultants over there. And karte, today we are here. So in like till date, once now, obviously Aero Village there's like, thanks to God, there's a lot of coverage happening on a national level also. So I always thank that person for giving me that experience, and this was way back in 2016 when I was traveling. And
Okay.
I just graduated from undergrad at that point.
Oh my God! So
So,
very early age you
yes.
thought of and you execute all these
Yes,
things
but
within a.
also a big thanks to my friends and family for supporting me for something like this. It's not been easy, but once you put your 100% into something, things do work out.
So yeah, I came to know that ये पूरा एक entire it was like a jungle kind of thing.
Yes,
Or you
yes.
all constructed like this so well, so executed so well everything.
Yeah, so the whole planning was, even though you see like, the whole vast runway, not one tree has been cut in this whole process.
Okay.
Yes, so this was all just bushes which were there. We changed the whole orientation, as you can see. यहाँ पे our iconic mango tree is there. So as per our original plan, the runway alignment was coming this way.
Okay.
But we said there's no point, damaging nature. So
That's
our whole idea is that you preserve nature. We want to make it net, not even just net zero, but give it carbon credits in general. So that's the whole idea. We have a solar plant, we have rainwater harvesting. There's everything which we're taking care of, trying to give back to nature as much as possible. So that's the whole idea, to make it a better place, and of course offer the luxury coming in with it.
So what the feedback of your guests, those who used to come and they stay
Guess for them, for everyone, it's like a dream come true. Like and obviously thanks to my aviation team and the back staff and the support staff which is there. And the guests are like, तुमने मेरा सपना पूरा कर दिया, ये
So
कर
जो
दिया.
guest का जो feedback है, I will explain that because I am also guest from
Right.
last 2 days here. So guys, I'm the guest here from last 2 days, and the entire setup, the team, the crew members, everything is so well organized, and the rooms are big size and very comfortable with jacuzzi, and everything is so nicely, you know, setup is so good. Sometimes ना जब when we used to go for all resorts and all, we think कि कितना अच्छा बनाया, but अपने ही घर के लोग का अगर resort है इतना अच्छा, तो we are feeling so proud of them and being so young and dashing. So I really wish कि अभी और भी resort बनेगा. I think worldwide में ये resort बनाओ और लोग
Thank you.
ऐसे ही ऐश करें.
That's the plan. Like we want more aero villages to be there
Yes.
around the country. So hopefully सब आपकी support से हो
Of
जाएगा.
course, of course. Pranjal, I came to know that in fact I had read some magazine about you. So how you are getting the awards and how the people came to know about everything.
Thank you so much. Yes, like we've been the property has been featured on various portals now. There's Outlook, Forbes, Times of India, Condé Nast Traveler, and amongst any other pages. So obviously, I'm not going to take the credit for it alone. The whole staff, my friends, my family, again, everyone has given it so much input. This is for everyone. Obviously, my face is there in the front of it, but I'll obviously never take credit for it. 100%
So he's not
for
taking
me.
any credit. This is the call, you know, simple and down to earth person. That's really good of you.
Yeah. So people they do approach us. They want to know the story behind it, how we are doing it, and what our plans, you know, for the future. So I'm like, yes, we want to do this. We've done something like this. People are happy about it. I think there should be more of this happening throughout the country. And you know, we can make India. There's so much potential within the country.
Yeah.
So
Wish you
I'm
very
sure.
good luck for this.
Yes. Thank
तो
you.
जो तुम्हारे जो रिसोर्ट के अंदर जो रूम्स हैं, तो how you categorize the room, like
So
छोटा
there are
बड़ा कैसे है?
different. So there are different room categories which are there. It's basically our resort is an experiential boutique resort.
Okay.
So each room category has a different feel. आपको if you want a room with a view, आपको room private pool के साथ चाहिए, या आपको
Oh.
honeymoon suite चाहिए, या आपको jacuzzi room चाहिए, या फिर if you want a room with full wooden interiors. So people come with different tastes, you know.
So you have everything there.
Everything, yeah. So sometimes it's for couples, sometimes it's just for, you know, like a bachelorette or
Oh.
for an anniversary celebration. So sometimes it's just like a family outing for someone. So सबके अलग अलग needs होते हैं. Our whole idea is to cater to everyone's needs and make
And
them happy.
what's the transport for this? Like
So
how people
transport,
can
you know,
come?
like, so there are. This is one place I think you can reach here in multiple ways. Of course, the aircraft is one way that you can come in from Bombay, Pune, or any other part of the country also.
Okay.
And you can obviously drive into the property. There are a
Is
lot
it
of yes.
pocket friendly, affordable for you know?
Yeah, definitely. Anyone, I feel, because we have a lot of guests who come in from different parts, and this is something, you know, worth spending on, is what I feel, because it's like a dream come true for everyone.
तो प्रांजल और क्या क्या बेनिफिट अगर कोई भी तुम्हारे होल डे के लिए 2 दिन के लिए अगर आते तो
हाँ,
वो
हाँ।
वो क्या एंजॉय करेंगे?
तो आप नेचर एंजॉय कर सकते हैं. हमारे पास रिवर साइड है. हम रिवर साइड में आपको नदी में बैठाते हैं,
Wow.
और नदी में आपके लिए पूरा पिकनिक सेटअप करते हैं.
Very nice.
उसमें फिर वहाँ पे नेचुरल फिशेस होते हैं, जो आपको एक फिश स्पा करके वहाँ पे पूरा मिलता है.
Wow.
नेचुरली अकरिंग फिशेस विच आर देयर. There's a golf course, we have a cricket ground. If you have जैसे corporate outings के लिए अगर किसी को आना होता है तो वो भी आते हैं बहुत सारे गेस्ट हमारे पास. और इंडोर आउटडोर गेम्स है, थिएटर रूम है, आपके पास मिनी थिएटर का
Wow.
एक्सपीरियंस मिलता है. तो आप अपने लव्ड वन के साथ आके एक
पूरा
प्राइवेट
अच्छे
आपको
से।
कुछ देखना है तो रोमांटिक मूवी, या फिर कभी होता है कुछ मैच देखना है, अभी इंडिया ऑस्ट्रेलिया का सीरीज
हाँ,
चल रहा है तो वो
पूरा
भी होता
entire
है.
friends group
हाँ,
आके enjoy कर
उनको
सकते हैं
फिर
वो
बहुत
भी।
मज़ा आता है. और बहुत सारे लोग जैसे गाड़ी से भी आप आ सकते हैं यहाँ पे, तो आपको बॉम्बे से barely 2.5-3 घंटे लगते हैं आने के लिए. तो पुणे से भी 3 घंटे लगते हैं. सो इट्स वेरी एक्सेसिबल इन जनरल. बाय फ्लाइट इट्स ओनली हाफ एन आवर. तो इट्स आप कहीं से भी एनीवन कैन रीच.
और जो भी गेस्ट आते हैं उनका ब्रेकफास्ट लंच डिनर एवरीथिंग
Everything is
प्रोवाइड
included. Yes,
इंक्लूडेड
we offer एकदम सब inclusive package रहता है उसमें guest के लिए. So एक बार आपने एक certain amount दे दिया, then you don't have to pay for anything else.
और प्रज्वल थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर दिस टाइम और विश यू वेरी गुड लक.
Thank you.
और मेरे व्यूवर्स को कुछ अगर बताना चाहते हैं कि
मैं बस एक ही चीज़ बोलूँगा, आप एरो विलेज आइए, एक्सपीरियंस कीजिए.
मेरे फैन आते हैं बोलते हैं मैं शालिनी श्रीवास्तव का
जी,
फैन
वो
हूँ तो
आप
प्लीज डिस्काउंट
yes,
कर
आप
देना.
इनका हमके रेफरेंस से आइए बुकिंग करते समय, और आपको डेफिनेटली एडिशनल डिस्काउंट मिलेगा.
Okay, thank you so much, Pranjal. God bless you. Stay happy always
Yes,
like this.
thank you.
So right now I'm going to experience this, then I'm going to share with you guys very soon. देखिए प्लेन टेक ऑफ करने वाला है. ये रनवे से आने वाला है ये.